Welcome to Beyond One Way. Today we are making this delicious Creamsicle frozen yogurt sandwich using 100% orange juice concentrate. First, use 1 1/4 cups of orange juice concentrate to make ice cubes. Place them in a food processor. Then add 5 ounces of plain Greek yogurt. I use full-fat yogurt here to give the creaminess that I'm looking for. 1/4 cup of white sugar. Blend them together for about 10 to 15 seconds. Place 6 halves of graham crackers on the bottom of a Pyrex glassware. The one I use here is 8.5 by 6.5 and 2 1/4 inches deep. Slowly pour the orange yogurt mixture on top of the graham crackers. Carefully to push the graham crackers back together if you see them start to drift apart. Spread the yogurt mixture on top of the graham crackers as evenly as you can. Place another layer of graham crackers on top of the yogurt mixture. This time, I actually leave a little gap in between each graham cracker. This will make it easier to cut after it becomes frozen. Cover with a lid and put it in the freezer. It will become frozen in about 5 hours. A light and healthy, refreshing snack on a warm day.